Hey, Blastroid here again with yet another science video. Today we're going to be discussing teleportation in vanilla Satisfactory, meaning no mods, just a little bit of save editor, and we can actually use the tube entrances to teleport us anywhere in the game. For example, I have 5 teleporters up here. Let's go to the top of that tower up there. Let me find my thing. It's going to be the hub, and we are now up above in the tower. Let's see if I can find where we just started from. We started from way down there where those red blocks were. So we can go back through our thing, and we are now back on the ground. We can go and visit my factories in the south. Here they are. We can go visit my power plant in the north. Or how about the skull? We're now on top of the skull itself. If you don't know the skull, I have some other videos to show that off. So that is kind of how the teleporter works. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to build one yourself. Alright, let's get started building a brand new teleporter, kind of a semi-empty level here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down a hypertube support so we can put our 2 entrances that we need onto that. So I'll put one on one side and one on the other. Of course, we need to give those entrances power, so let's go ahead and do that. And pretty simple design. We've all kind of done this before. You go one in one side, out the other. Really good for getting through walls, but we're going to do something to make it teleport us way over there towards the north. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this level. I'm going to open up the Satisfactory save editor, and we will open our new level. Go ahead and enable the magnifier so it makes it easier for you to see here. Alright, under the game, we're going to open up the factory game category. Under buildable factory, we're looking for something called pipe hyper start. So we can go ahead and expand that, and you can see those are the 2 we just built. So I'm just going to pick one of them, and I'm going to change the Y. We're going to go farther to the north, so that's increasing the negative number in the position of Y. And you'll kind of learn that system. X, Y, Z is the positioning of objects. I'm going to go ahead and save that change. Go back into our game. Load up that game. And now we only have one entrance. The other entrance is way over there. So let's go ahead and test it out. We enter the entrance and we get spit out into our new destination. Now do notice the power cable is still connected. If you only teleport short distances, you will see that. Now you can disconnect the power cable and run its own power if you want, but when you deal with farther away distances, for example, let's change that number all the way like, I don't know, 10,000 away instead. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. If you get farther away, the cable actually just disappears and looks a lot better. And you don't actually need to rerun the power. It is still connected way over here, even though it physically doesn't look like it's connected. We'll go ahead and load this game up and show you that. Alright, this time our power or our other entrance is somewhere I can't even see it. It's gone off the map, maybe. Let's go ahead and enter and see. Oh! Yep, we are way up here in the sky. I'm going to go ahead and re-enter that, and we're back to where we started. So, you got to be careful where you place your exit, of course. And if you basically lay down a block somewhere, let's say I've laid down the block here, I can go in the editor and find the last 8x4 block that I've loaded and use that X, Y, and Z to set the position of my exit. So it'll be closer to where you wanted the exit to be by using another object's X, Y, Z. And then you just, of course, delete the block and you're left with just the entrance right there. So that's pretty much how to build a teleporter in vanilla Satisfactory. And what I mean by that, we didn't use any mods. All we did is modify a couple of settings in the save editor, and now we have full map teleportation. And if you can saw in the other build, I built multiple of these teleporters. They work pretty good. They don't work that great in multiplayer. Hopefully soon multiplayer will get some issues fixed, and we'll have teleportation in multiplayer maps also. Until the next time, Have a great day.